Hey, I just wanted to show you what a ClickBank Platinum unboxing looks like and a little bit about what ClickBank Platinum is. If you're not sure, in my opinion, it's one of the best groups you can join through merit only. So check this out. So this is from ClickBank. We'll see here. No, it's all just one box. A little note from the CEO, Kelly Householder at ClickBank, about the Platinum program is, how you can join the Facebook group, get to know your account manager. I'll give you a little more details on that in just a sec. If I open up this cool box, I get my fancy, I doubt this is full Platinum. That'd be expensive. Oh gosh, this is one-handed is hard. But it's really cool. Platinum ClickBank Thomas McMahon 2022 certificate here, and a little bit about, or I guess it's not a certificate, it's a block of steel, or platinum I should say. But what this does for you, what Platinum does for you, if you earn over 250K on ClickBank, and I should clarify, I'm a ClickBank employee. I don't have an offer, I'm not an affiliate on ClickBank, but I just onboard a lot of business, so they like to send me these. Just because I think they're cool and I like to display and just kind of show clients what they are. But if you earn more than 200, or I should say, if you generate more than $250,000 on ClickBank, you get Platinum. If you generate over 5 million on ClickBank, you get Diamond, which is a much fancier thing than this. But what that gets you is dedicated account management. It gets you faster payments from ClickBank and get paid up to twice a week, net 3 and net 4 payment terms. It gets you exclusive invites to ClickBank's Platinum Summit, which if you haven't been, you're missing out because it's one of the best events in the space with all the direct response marketers you need to know and want to know, going to beautiful locations like Mexico and Costa Rica and all-inclusive resorts, good things like that. If you're Diamond, you get invites to Diamond Summit, which is even more exclusive and higher level than Platinum. It gets you invites to all the road shows we do, all the different networking parties we host, like the ones at TNC and affiliate summits and affiliate worlds, and all that good stuff. And it just gets you part of the family, really, right? Like, I think a big benefit of being on ClickBank and being part of the ClickBank Platinum program is that you get people like me and Kyle Kasechka, Michael Lohman, and Anna Stewart, and these kinds of people who are out there networking all the time. And then you're in their brain, right? They know you, they know the offer, that someone's going to mention something. Oh, have you seen their offer? Have you seen this affiliate? Have you seen this thing this one's doing? And this passive networking effect you get through ClickBank's team is, in my opinion, the best perk of all, and something that's really cool. And lots of more stuff that's going to be happening with Platinum next year and the years to come that I can't share right now. But yeah, this is, if you want to generate more than $250,000 in ClickBank, you get this cool thing and invites to the Platinum event and the Platinum program. So cheers, y'all. Happy scaling.